Hey, in this video we will be installing our IDE, Visual Studio. The IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is where we will create our code. I open up a browser and search for Visual Studio. It is usually the first result which I click on. This will bring us to the Microsoft site. It might look a little bit different when you open it up in the future, but when you scroll down you should see these Download Visual Studio options. We can do with the normal Visual Studio Community option. For this course, you can also follow along with other IDEs that support CMake like CLion. I open up the installer that I downloaded and the installer starts preparing. Then we will be presented with our options. We currently need to click on desktop development with C++ and maybe game development just in case. Actually, what we really need is this individual component called C++ CMake tools for Windows. I will start the install process now and skip to the end. Here we are at the end. Visual Studio will automatically launch and ask you for some options. You are not required to register and you can select a dark or light theme. I will now close this up. If you have Visual Studio installed prior to this course, you need to make sure that you've installed all the C++ tools. You can get to the installer by opening up the Start menu and searching for Visual Studio Installer. In the window that pops up, you can click on Modify on the Visual Studio installation. Then you can select the components we just went over. This is it for this lesson. See you.